boy. Good boy. Good lad. Let's go. Yes, good boy. Good boy, that was nice. That was very nice. Two and a half. Just wait a minute. Away. Clever boy. Ready? Right go. Cadbury, right go. Yes, good boy.
Go in with him a little way and see if he says no. Yay, lovely. Perfect. And again, if he goes right, oh, he didn't. Brilliant. Oh, that is what Roxy did to me earlier. I think there's just freshly cut stuff in here and it's all very interesting. Well done, really nicely done. Okay, fabulous, good lad. So just bring him back because he just second guessed it there, but he said no that way. He nearly did it 100% right. Shake off, lovely. He just double checked himself, so I didn't want you to read that as a no. Good lad, well done. He's gone into proximity mode if you hadn't guessed already. Yeah, definitely is. You're doing a really good job. Wow.
Good boy. Right, feet on. Yes, good boy. Good boy. Okay. Good boy. Are you ready? Back.